Hello, and welcome back to Mr. Powers Teaches Algebra. So today I want to do a really quick review of parabolas. So right here I have an example of a parabola. Actually, it's not this one. It's right here. It's ax squared plus bx plus c. So that's how I defined it, and this is what is going to pop up. We're getting 1x squared plus 4x minus 3 because I got these sliders. I move them around, and I can change things all over the place here. It's super fun. All right, and I got this here when it changes it around. And it'll graph it for me. But what you'll notice is, no matter what, that I have that one point A plotted out, and it stays right there. That's our vertex. And I have an equation here that I use to get that related to A, B, and C. A, B, and C being our coefficients on our graph here. So this is just to illustrate to you that if you ever want to find, just really quick, if you ever want to find the vertex of a parabola, and this is just a quick reminder, then all we got to do is let x equal, so if y equals, all right, if y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, then this point right here, or in fact, let's say f of x equals this, then this point is always going to be negative b over 2a, comma, f of negative b over 2a. So in other words, figure out what negative b over 2a is and plug it into our function to solve for y, and you got that point. It's very, very easy. And in this example here, you can see, how did we get to 7? We can do that really quick. It's not hard at all. Here, b is 4, so negative 4 over 2 times a is 1. That's going to be our x. Negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. There's our y right there. How do I get negative 7? Plug it in. So y is going to equal 1 times x squared. So I'm going to plug in negative 2 there. So negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 minus 3. That should get me negative 7. That'll get me my vertex point. So we get 4 minus 8 minus 3. So negative 4 minus 3, yep, negative 7. So with y equals negative 7, when x equals negative 2, there's our vertex point. Always works. Okay? Let's see. What else? Okay, so that's if this is in standard form. What if it's in a different form? What's if it's in this vertex form? We love this vertex form. A times x minus h squared plus k. And I can change a again. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, hold on a second. There we go. Yeah, I typed in there a little wrong. A times x minus h squared plus k. Oh, hold on. Now everything's right the way it's supposed to be. A times x minus h squared plus k. And what does that get us? That gives us this. It gives us, because my a right now is 0.7, 0.7 times x minus 1 squared, because my h is 1, plus 1.9, my k is 1.9. And you'll see that h and that k value get moved around right there. There's our vertex. And the a, something you want to notice with the a, when it's 1, it's kind of like it's not there. That's just x minus 2 squared minus 4. When a is higher than 1, it gets skinnier. When it's less than 1, like this, it gets wider. If it goes negative, it's going to make our graph or parabola open down. When a is negative, it opens down. If it's smaller than -1, it's skinnier. If it's greater than -1, it's wider. And there you go. And that's pretty much everything we need to know when it comes to a quick review on graphing parabolas and knowing if they're open up, if they open down, if they're wide, if they're skinny, and where their vertex is. So once again, really quick, if we have y equals times x minus h squared plus k, you got a graph here. Let's say it's right here. It's my parabola. Terrible parabola, but you get the idea. Right there, that point is going to be our h comma k. So we always can find that point. And then a will tell us if we're opening up or down and how skinny we are. So when you're plotting these, the important points are going to be always the vertex. If we got any intercepts, find the intercepts. Otherwise, just find a few more points around the vertex, and we're good to go. So that's a really quick review on graphing parabolas. Until next time, enjoy doing math.